Ever wish to transform your private GitHub project into a public one, ready to share with the world, and possibly ignite a collaboration flame? Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind making your GitHub repository public. First, ensure you're logged into your GitHub account and navigate to the repository you want to open up to the public. Upon landing, locate the Settings tab. It's usually situated near the top of your repository page. Once within Settings, scan the left-hand sidebar and find the General section. Under the General tab, scroll down until you find the Danger Zone section, which is intentionally highlighted to get your attention. This is where the magic happens, so pay close attention. Now, the Danger Zone isn't as scary as it sounds. Within this section, you will find the Change Visibility setting. Below this setting should be a button that says Change to Public if your repository is currently private. Click the Change to Public button and now you will see a confirmation prompt. This step makes sure you really want to do this by requiring you to type in the name of your repository into a field. Enter the repository name exactly as it appears and then click the red button to confirm. Be aware, this action is immediate and can't be easily undone. Once confirmed, your private repository is now public. Anyone can view, fork, and even contribute to your project. Congratulations! Now, make sure that all the code and documentation is accurate and ready for open source contribution.